This cop who was compelled to speak out against tyrannical enforcement of the coronavirus lockdowns is a shill, as exposed by Gematria. His social media tag, I think his Twitter or whatever the fuck it is Granderson33. While in Gematria, police, masonry, secrecy, and order all equal 33. Not to mention police is controlled by Freemasonry. But look at the Gematria of Granderson. The big news on May 11, a date that can be written 11/5, is that he got fired for speaking out. Well, 115 is the alphabetic order value of Granderson, just like the date. And by the way, in the reverse ciphers, Granderson equals 155 and 56, like coronavirus. If you include the 33, then his name sums to 121, like the date of the coronavirus outbreak in United States. He was also fired a span of 62 days from the declaration of the pandemic on March 11, and his name, Greg Anderson, equals 62. So he was fired on the 62nd day of the pandemic. Greg Anderson also equals 127, like Scottish Rite of Freemasonry. The word fired is 33, by the way. I would say he was not fired, but most likely promoted to some high degree in the lodge. And his video was nothing more than a ritual he had to perform to pass on to the next degree. Even the letters on his hat, MPU, equate to 155 in the Satanic cipher. Don't know what they stand for. Military Police Unit, Masonic Police Unit. Anyway, next we have a story of police using drones to enforce social distancing rules and check people's body temperature in Westport, Connecticut. That's a familiar place because I already did a decode on that town. How, on a date 26/3, there was a news story posted about a birthday party spreading coronavirus. Of course, the Gematria of Westport, Connecticut is 263, and 263 is the 56th prime number. It makes me wonder if the whole fucking town is Masonic, because why do they keep scripting it into this shit? And by the way, the cop got fired on a date with 56 numerology. But that being said, the Gematriot of drone is 56, and these drones are made by a company called Draganfly, which equals 155 in reverse. Put Dragonfly and drone together and you get 155 and 56 together, like coronavirus. So the company was obviously created and named with the current bullshit in mind. This is a scam to roll out mass surveillance, like what I've been talking about, and not only that, but at the same time, they are challenging the people to rise up against the government.